Hello, and thank you for joining me on my uplifting poetry channel here on YouTube. Today's poem is entitled Paid in Full. Now, on a cold and snowy October night, I woke up with an incredible headache, with a rather large knot on my head, in a cell in the downtown jail. I heard the heavy barred doors slam shut with a voice that rang out saying, "Absolutely no bail." I was completely at loss for this incarceration, or what I was supposed to have done. Just then an officer stopped by my cell, stating that my fingerprints were on the murder weapon, a very large handgun. As I gazed at the four gray walls in disbelief, I suddenly felt claustrophobic, with my world crashing down on me. With no family, no friends, or even a minister to call from outside for help, I called from within and prayed and petitioned my Heavenly Father to set me free. When it came time for court, there was no weapon as evidence to be found. Payment for loss was prematurely issued when surprisingly there was no corpse to deposit in the ground. This situation I was inadvertently placed in was a horrific joke. While I languished in prison, the culprits lie carefree on a faraway beach sipping rum and coke. As all bogus charges were completely dropped, I was finally set free. But then I realized that I had simply paid someone else's debt, just as that bright and morning star had paid all my debts for me. Thank you for listening. God bless you all. Namaste.